In the frozen silence of the forest, a single hole rises and suddenly shadows begin to move. Not one hunter, not two, but a coordinated team. Why would a predator share its meal instead of hunting alone? The answer reveals one of the nature's most intelligent survival strategy. Wolves are not just hunters, they are planner, communicators, and teammates. The secret to their success is not speed or strength alone, it's cooperations. Today we uncover why wolves hunt in pack and how this strategy let them take down the prey many times their sizes. The grey wolf Canis lupus roams forests, tundras, and the mountain across the northern hemisphere. A single wolf is powerful, fast, and intelligent, but alone it cannot consistently hunt elk, deer, or bison. So evolution shaped a different path. Teamwork. Wolves live in a family called packs. Parent and their offspring usually. The family bond become a tactical advantage when hunting. Unlike big cats that rely on ambush, wolves rely on strategy. A pack can track prey for kilometers, reading stubble signs in the wind and snow. They don't rush, they test, they observe, they wait for weakness. Older wolves teach the youngs. Experienced hunter lead the chase. Every member has a role. A wolf nose is a living radar that can smell prey for kilometers away. When a scent is caught, silent signals begin, tail posture, ear movement, eye contact. No word, no noise, just instinctive communication, perfected over thousands of the year. Howls are not just eerie sounds, they are GPS signals, keeping the pack connected across vast distances. When the prey is spotted, wolves do not attack immediately. They spread out, some move to the side, one stay behind, another stay ahead. This they begin to control the direction of escape. This is called relentless pursuit. Wolves do not sprint like cheetahs, they exhaust, they pressure, they force the prey to make a mistake. A deer separated from the herd, an elk slowed by injury, a young or old animal that cannot keep up. Their pack select the carefully. This reduces risk and save energy. Alone, a wolf cannot bring down a bison. Together, they can. Some distract from the front, other targeted the legs from behind. It's too dangerous, but shared risk means shared reward. That is why pack hunting allows wolves to eat regularly even in harsh winters. After the hunt, something remarkable happens. The leader do not eat first out of greed. They ensure that pups and the weaker members are fed. Survival of the pack is more important than the hunger of one. This is cooperation keeps the family strong and increase the chances of the next generation will survive. Over thousands of the years, wolves that work together survive. Those hunted alone often failed. Natural selection, forward communication, patience, and teamwork. Pack hunting is not just a behavior, it's evolutionary success written into their instincts. In the wild, strengths matter, but for wolves, unity matter more. In the wild, strength matter, but for wolves, unity matter more. They prove that intelligence, coordinations, and family bonds can overcome animal far larger and stronger. So the next time you hear a wolf howls echo through the forest, remember it's not a lonely sound, it's voice of a team preparing for hunt. That is why wolves hunt in the pack.